Well, thank you for joining us with GLC Math. This lesson I'm looking at expanding and simplifying algebraic sums. Now I thought this was algebraic sums 2. It's in fact the first one I've done for an algebraic sum. So let's have a look at an expression that needs to be expanded and simplified. So we're going to stick with sums because we're dealing with pluses. There are a few dedicated to some differences. Now here we have an expression and we need to expand. So 8 times 4x is 32x. 8 times 7 is 56. Now we've got this plus here, and 5 times 3x is 15x. And 5 times 4 is 20. Well, we just expanded two products, and that becomes 32x plus 56 for the first part and 15x plus 20 for the second. Now these two terms are called like terms because they're both x terms, and so 32x plus 15x equals 47x. So you can add like terms. The numbers on their own, which are constants, are plus 56, plus 20. They're like terms. They join together. They can add together to be plus 76. These two do not add together. They are unlike terms, and unlike terms do not add together. Well, that's all we have to do. So let's look at a second one. And let's look at, say, 3x. Let's put a squared in. Plus 5x, 4x minus 6. Alright. Now, there's only one bracket over here, and we need to expand 5x times 4x. 5x times 4x is 20x squared, because 5 times 4 is 20, x times x is x squared. Now the second one here is 5x times 6. Ooh, I put a negative. Never mind. Positive 5x and a negative 6 make negative 30x. And we've got a 3x squared. And all we have to do to finish this is to simplify. And simplify is adding the like terms. And 3x squared plus 20x squared, they're both x squared terms. They're called like terms. So that becomes 23x squared. And we're left with minus 30x. That's a different term because it's just x to the power of 1, which is different to x squared. These do not add together. They're different terms, and unlike terms do not add together. Well, we've got space for one more, so let's go ahead and do one more. So 5x, 3x plus 8, plus 2, 3x plus 8. Okay, here we have looking like an expanded quadratic, but let's go ahead and expand first 5x times 3x to be 15x squared, 5x times 8, 5 8s are 40, and there is the x, 5x times 8 is 40x. Two positives make a positive. Now 2 times 3x is simply 2 3s are 6, and the x is 6x. And 2 times 8 is 16, there's no variables there. And to finish this off, we add the like terms, and in this case 40x plus 6x are the two like terms, so that becomes plus 46x. And we write the other two terms. Now we've got three unlike terms. They do not add together, so we're finished. And that is in fact a quadratic equation because the highest power of x is an x squared, and we've got an x to the power of 1 and a constant. So that's a classic quadratic expression. Well, I hope that you've learnt something in this small lesson, and until I talk to you again, stay happy.